how to add your own music on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own music or sounds in TikTok videos on iOS or Android. Whether recording an app, importing audio, or using third-party editors, you'll learn how to create an original sound and make it available for reuse. So in this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So what you're going to do is open TikTok application, and then you're going to head over, click on this plus icon at the bottom. And then you'll be able to see this option that says add sound at the top. Simply click on it. And after that, you're going to navigate to your sounds. So in some of the devices, you will not be able to see it directly. So you're going to simply click on the search bar and simply navigate to the your sounds. So once you're in your sounds, you can either import sound from video. For example, if you wish to add the audio from some video, you can click on it and simply import the video, and then TikTok will extract the audio from that video. And the other way is import local sounds. So if you have any sound or music on your phone, you can simply import that over here. And then you can reuse it on any video you want. So that is basically how you can add your own music on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.